Hey, my name is Josh Escobar, District Sales Manager with Outback here by Keystone RV. This month is super exciting. It's our millionth month. That's right, 1 million RVs in North America, and we couldn't be happier. This is the new 2020 Outback 300 ML. You can see the huge mid-living area, 2 big slides, tons of counter space, cabinets, and drawers. I would love to challenge you to find another RV that has this much counter space, cabinets, and drawers. We've redesigned our 300 ML by flipping our theater seating with our entertainment. This is giving you bigger windows on your door side, allowing more natural light to come in, but on your off door side, we're also giving you a bigger window. With this as well, you have more counter space. We've also integrated this pop-up TV that basically comes up so you can actually have better entertainment on the inside, including this 48-inch fireplace. To add to the coziness of the 300 ML, we also have this hutch here, which gives you more storage, as well as it allows you to put the pictures of your family and the books that you want to read on a rainy day. This floor plan is perfect for cooking, entertaining, and hanging out indoors on rainy days. You have this drop frame up front here that gives you more pass-through storage, so when you're looking in here, it's huge. It's a lot of room to put all of your sleeping bags, your gear, whatever you want to put up front there. On top of that, you have dual awnings on the outside here to give you more shade underneath here so the sun's not shining down on you. The new LCI solid steps. Awesome feature, gives you bigger legs on the bottom there, as well as it gives you the big step up top, so when you're entering and exiting, it's a bigger step to step on instead of a smaller step. Thank you very much for joining us for the millionth month celebration. I hope you love the new floor plan as much as I do. Don't forget to ask your dealer about Outback by Keystone RV.